Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys could tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY. So this is a DIY body lava. Now you guys know that Rihanna came out with this really expensive body lava glitter illuminizer. And if you guys haven't heard the price, take a seat because I'm about to tell you how much that cost. So if you guys would like to get your hands on Rihanna's Fenty Beauty Body Lava Illuminizer, you guys, that costs $59. $59. I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna be buying that, especially when I can make my own. Also, make sure to stick around to the end so you guys can see what it looks like on my skin. Before we continue, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below right now. Also, make sure to click that little notification bell button. It's right next to the subscribe button. Might as well click them both at once. Also, if you guys would like to follow me on Instagram, make sure you do at Nathaly Raya. And without further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys the 3 items that you'll be needing. So first of all, you'll definitely be needing some castor oil, and definitely go for the order list. If you guys want to get this exact one, I actually got this at Walmart. I pretty much googled castor oil and this was the first one to pop out. It was the least expensive one. I'll leave all the products down in the description below so you guys could check them out. So this is definitely the one that I went for. This is what it looks like up close. The second thing that you'll be needing is a travel size container. You can find these also at Walmart, at Target. I'm pretty sure you could find these at Walgreens as well, but I also got this at Walmart. This was only 98 cents, and then obviously it had the little brand, and I just put some stickers over it because I thought if I peeled it off it was going to be really ugly, and you know the struggle of peeling off sticker and it leaves that residue. And I was like, you know what, I'm just going to cover it with the sticker, and then when I actually have the time I'll peel it off. The third thing that you'll be needing is a shimmer or glitter. I would do a shimmer. I decided to go to Ulta and I bought my own little NYX shimmer eyeshadow. This is in the shade Vegas Baby. This is what it looks like up close. It is definitely really light and shimmery. I have so many glitters in my jars. I just didn't have anything like that specific color. So I do have the silver if I want to add a little bit silver to it. I have some gold, and then I also have this NYX Face and Body glitter. This is in the shade Ice. It's pretty much the same container, and this was actually the one that I used for my face the entire time that I was at Coachella. And then I also took out a pink just in case I want to add a little dash of pink. Now this next item is totally optional. So Rihanna uses a kabuki brush, and that is just like really big and flat, something that you could use to like pretty much get this entire area. I honestly prefer applying glitter to my body with my fingers. I experienced this while I was at Coachella. My friend was using a brush and I'm like, girl, all you have to do is like rub it with your fingers and then boom, you're done in like 2 seconds. But anyways, today I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. angled brush. This is actually pretty big and it's not too rounded, and I also didn't want to use my kabuki brush because it does have face powder in it, and I didn't really want to wash it or be dipping it into glitter. And then I thought I could pull this one out since I never used this one, and I thought today would be perfect to fulfill its dreams. Alright, so right away we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you'll be needing is your travel size container. So basically you just have to open this baby up, get your castor oil, open this up as well, and hopefully it has that cover lid, which is this one. Now that is a struggle. I don't know why I'm smelling it if it said it's odorless. Alright guys, so you're basically going to be pouring your castor oil into your travel size container, and I would suggest to go halfway only, just because you really don't know what kind of shade you're going to be getting, and you definitely don't want to make a whole lot if you're not going to like it. So this is how much I put in this little container, and then I'm going to go in with my NYX pigment in a Vegas Baby. Now I do want to get inside of this little lid. Now that is actually a struggle to get off, so I'm going to use some tweezers and it should be off in no time. Oh, okay. Ooh. Now that wasn't bad. And now that we have our loose powder everywhere, we're ready to dump it. Okay, so I definitely got a good amount in there. I'd say it's half of this, which I'm gonna save this because it's a really pretty color, and I believe I will be using this in the future for my eyelids. Okay, so we're gonna close this up really quick. We're gonna give it a shake and see how it turns out. Oh my goodness, guys, look how gorgeous this is. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, so let's give this baby a try. We're gonna see how we like it, and if we need to add another shade, we'll do it. Okay. Ooh. That is freaking gorgeous. I'm gonna zoom you guys in really quick. Let me bring you guys down, and in person you can really tell. I'm gonna go in and use the brush this time. It is super subtle, yet it's giving me life. I wish I could take you guys outside with me so you guys could see how glittery this is. You know what? Let's do it. Phone lens. Alright guys, so we are outside. This is the shimmery side. And then this is the bare side. Alright, so now that we're back, this I could honestly say that it's beyond perfect for me. This is the Vegas Baby, so if you're like around my skin shade, definitely go for this one. Now I do want a little bit more shimmer, so I feel like this would be the perfect time to go in with the NYX Ice shade. I feel like this right here is really natural, and if I do add a little bit of this, it's just gonna bring it up a notch. However, this does have like green and purplish shades like in certain angles, so I'm not really going to add a lot. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit. I'm not even gonna take the cap off. I'm just gonna do whatever is on the top right now. Some of this. Let's shake this up and see if there's a difference. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I literally just want to pour this all over my body right now. Alright, so now that I applied a little bit more on this side to match this side, I am still shook about how beautiful this color is right here. I don't think it could get any better than this. Like, I feel like I'm ready for a photo shoot right now. Okay, except for this little hair. Like, I just want to do this to my entire body, like. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what your thoughts were on this DIY body lava creation, because I think I did a pretty good job, and I'm definitely not going to be spending $59 on the body lava when I have this one that only cost me about $10. And I still have like this much product left, so I could definitely make myself another bottle. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. You know what, thumbs it up just because this is my first DIY. I think it's my first DIY, but just give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to join the Raya family, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys. So right away we're gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing, for my eyelids. Oh my god, this is so good. Those guys, favorite Mexican candy in this world.